Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can share a list in Any.do. So let's start. So you get to see personal here, work here, or whatever list you got prepared, and then go to the right top corner to the three dots, and then you're gonna see invite people, right? So invite people. Now when I'm going to invite, I'm gonna see share a list here. So I will invite here YOLO 222888 gmail.com. And what you need to do, don't leave the keyboard. You need to press done first. And then you just simply click invite. And now we got it here. So, yeah. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And have a great day and goodbye.